Alright guys, welcome back. So in this particular video, let me teaching you how to edit your content using Elementor page builder. Alright, so you can see all of this. So I'm going to teach you how to edit all of this content here. Now coming to your left hand tab here, you can see all of this. You can see the widgets, you can see components, you can see globals here. This is the element sections here. So whatever you want to add to this particular site, this page rather, you can take, for example, maybe you want to add a text or you want to add an image. You can just come here and search for it, image. It will pop up. You can see image now. So what do? You left click and drag it. Let's say I want to drop, you can see it's already creating a space for it there now. If I should release it now, you can see that's the image there now. So if you want to put an image there, put an image, you can see. I mean, I don't need that, so I just come here, click on it, right click and delete. The image is gone. Alright, so you want to edit anything here, any content, just over on that content and click on it. Can you see? The moment I click on it, you can see this part here now. This is content. Welcome to BBQ Restaurant, Texas. Can you see what's there already here now? So if let me say I want to delete this now. Let me change the name to let me say welcome to Bab. Can you see? The moment I typed Bab here, it's already reflecting here. Can you see? So if I should delete, so we're deleting here also. So to get our content for the purpose of this training, I repeat, we'll be contacting ChatGPT to get content. Alright, so I'm gonna come here and open my ChatGPT. What is this, bro? I think I'm logged in already. Alright, yeah, okay, so let's go. Hey bro, okay, while that one loads up, let's come back here. So let's pick a name for our restaurant. Okay, let's say welcome to, how do we put it, fast arena. Okay, so I'm going to change that. Let's use fast arena. I think there used to be on it then, maybe fast arena or fast food, something like that. Used to know one. Alright, so welcome to fast arena. So fast arena is the name of our restaurant. Alright, so this guy is still loading. Okay, get out. Okay, let's see. Let me close this and let's see. Okay, let's see if it is set. Okay, in order not to waste our time, let's proceed. Alright, so this particular right up you have here, the moment you click on it, you can see it's up here. Okay, now I'm going to show you something here now. Look at this, welcome to fast arena. Now when I click on it, what are you seeing here? This is showing heading here, heading. Then when I click on this, it's showing text editor. That's to tell you this, the element we have here is heading, the element we have here is text editor. Let's click on this and see. You can see button. So that shows the element here is what? Button. So if you want to add button to your website, maybe you want to add another button, and just come to this place, add element, this plus sign here, click on it and type button, search it. Yes, you have different type of buttons anyway, so just pick the one that suits you. So you left click and drag it, move it with your mouse. You can see there's another button there now, so you can try to edit the button, the text, the color, everything. So I'm going to click on this. I don't need the button there, then you delete. All right, so you want to work on this guy now. Let's see if this boy is ready. He's not ready, so let's just say Ctrl A to highlight everything. We are a seasoned and fast growing food industry in Nigeria. We are registered and we deliver rich rich and wanna learn me English. Rich and delicious meals. We offer home delivery, office delivery, office, let's make it office lunch delivery. All right, all at affordable rates. Now mind you, if you are building all of this, depends on your clients. Your clients might send you the contents they want on their websites. If your clients did not send you anything, that's why you have ChatGPT here, or you can decide to use Gemini. This guy is proving stubborn today, so let's proceed. You can actually work without him. All right, so let's go. So this is a button here. You click on this button. Now the moment I click on that button, can you see the type is default? Can you see it's default, so let's be in that default. The text, this is the text on that button. You are seeing resave now, so you can decide to change it to, let's make it order now. Can you see it has changed? Then now where do you want this button to lead them to when they click on it? That's what you are going to put inside this link here. By default you have hash. You have hash there. All right, you have hash there. Now by default they will give you this here. So the location where you want this button to lead the customer to, that's the link I'm going to put here. Maybe you want the customer to come directly to your WhatsApp. All right, so in this place you can create a WA link. WA.link. You go to WA.link. Okay, you come down here. So let me create one. Let me say 7466402. Is that correct? 5746. Okay, so let me say I need a plate of rice and chicken with Hollandia yogurt. See my yogurt correct, sha? Okay, I'm not sure it's correct. Okay. Hollanda is bow. Now to do And there you go. Thank you. Okay, now get a while link. You can click on generate mine. This is a WhatsApp link anyway. So the phone number I dropped there, I don't know if some of us should be familiar with this. The phone number I typed there the other time is my WhatsApp number. All right. So when you put the WhatsApp number there, that's for the business WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is going to generate this link for you. So you can click here and copy link. So you can bring the link to your website and do something like this. Paste the link here. So after pasting the link here, and when anybody click on this website, this button rather, it's going to take them to your WhatsApp, and the message I typed the other time, hi, hey, I need a plate of rice, chicken, and all that you got, is what the customer is going to send to you. It's going to see it automatically on his clipboard. All right. So I want to change something here. Can you see whenever I bring my mouse on the button, you can see it changes to black. So both the background and the text color is black, and I don't like it. All right, so that's the over effect. We call this over effect, over HOVER. All right, so when you bring it here, it's going to turn to black. So you can change that color. So come to style, you can see text color. That's the default color, black. Okay, you can try to change it. Background color, box shadow. So let's come here, look at the position of the button. If I click center now, can you see it has moved to center? If I click left, it's back. If I click right, it's there. This is stretch. Can you see? To stretch the button. I don't like this. So let's return it here to the left. All right, so come here. This is the normal button color now, this which is the orange you are seeing there. Now click on over. Can you see? Now come and change the text color. Let's change that text color to, let's say, white first. Let's say white. Just move your mouse. This is white up here. Just click it here. All right, so white is always FFFFF. So click here. Can you see? The moment I hover my mouse on it now, the text color is now white instead of the initial black it was before. So you can decide to change the background color also to another color. So let's do something here. Let's change the background color and come here, click on this guy here. Let's move it like this. Let's use this. So click anywhere outside here. Can you see? It's now red. Let me change it to a color that you usually guess. Let's use yellow. Okay, so that you can spot the difference easily. Okay, can you see? The color has changed now. So that's the way to edit your button. Now, say that I love animations. You want to add animation to this button, maybe the way the button should pop up when your clients or visitors loads this particular website. Just come here, click on advanced, up here, come down here. Now this margin and padding is, if you want to work on your what's it called, your button. It's also applicable to all other elements on the page. So you come down here, come down to where you have motion effects. So click on motion effects and come down here, click on this entrance animation. Click on it, then select any of this. Now I click on fading. Can you see? Just pay attention to this button here. Let me select another one. Let's click on zoom in down. Can you see? So select another one. Let's say bounce in down. Can you see? So you can select, pick anyone. All right, so let me use this slice in right. All right, so I'm gonna use this. Now look at all of this effect that is showing padlock here. You cannot use any of this. Why? You are on Astra, you are on Elementor, the free Elementor. You are not on Elementor Pro. Okay, so I told you earlier I have the Elementor Pro. If you need it, you can DM just for a token. All right, so this is not the Elementor Pro, so you cannot use all of these features here. All right, so if you are building an e-commerce website, you need an Elementor Pro. Even there are some features you want to use here that you can only get them from Elementor Pro. So it's the best bet to get the Elementor Pro. It is very, very affordable. All right, so you come back to your content up here, and we are done with the button already. We've assigned the button to a particular listing, and if you want your button to lead them to another page on your website, now look at this. Now this is the home page, right? This is the home page. This is the about us page, pre-built on the template we installed. Now if you want that button to bring them to this particular page, all you need to do is copy the link of this page from this place. Ctrl+C, come here, then come here, Ctrl+A, Ctrl+V. Can you see? So the moment you save this now, once they click on this button, it's going to take them to about us page. All right, so after you are done, come here and click on publish. When you are done editing any of these elements, always click on publish, and once your publish turns to black like this, then it has been saved already. So you don't have to panic. Maybe your network went off or your PC went off. Your work has been saved already. But in case you did not publish and your PC went off, you'll start again if you come back home. So let's proceed. You can see this high quality stuff like that. So this is an icon here. This is a fire icon here. So you can see the icon here. So you can decide to, before you enable file upload, that such file with the security reason that does not want to remove possible malicious code. Enable. Alright. So that's if you have icon on your PC that you want to upload. Alright. So, and if you want to upload from icon library, these are icons that you have here. A lot of icons that you have here. Alright. So you can select anyone. Okay, let's just pick one so that it's one. I think that was a fire icon, right? Let's search for fire also. So this was the one they used. So let's say we want to use this. So once you click on it, come down here and click on insert. You can see. Okay, so this is an image here. If you want to change this image, you click on it. Let's see, come in. Let's publish this. Okay. Okay, I think this one is, this guy is part of the background. Oh, hold on. Now let me show you something here again. All of these sections you are working on here, you can come up here where you have structure here, click on it. It's going to drop something for you here. It's going to drop the structure for you here. So that's to tell you this container, the first container you are seeing here is this guy. Can you see the moment I clicked on it, there is an highlight on this guy. This is heading. That's the welcome to Fast Arena. If you click on it now, can you see? Now let's click on this text editor. Can you see it's this guy? The next one is what? Button. That's the button we just worked on. So in case you are finding it difficult to get something, just the way this guy is trying to prove, I don't know if this is an image or it comes to the background. So you can click on this container here. Can you see the full container? Click on this second container again. Okay. You can see on that second container, come back to the first container. That's overall container. Okay. Come to the second one. So inside the second one is this guy. That's where you have the icon box. This is the icon box now. Can you see that? So icon box. Now where do you work on this Lauren stuff that they have here? You can, this is it here. Ctrl+A. Let me delete that. I don't need this. Alright. So high quality, you want to change anything there, can you see? Okay, so this is another icon box, that's the next one. This is another icon box, the next one. All right, so let's go up here. What do we have next? We have another container. That's the container by the right, this guy here. Okay, so it's a container. So for you to change this image, that shows you are changing the background. This is a background image. So let's go and change this. So you come to style. Can you see the image here? So the background type they use here is image. You can decide to use image for your background. You can use video for your background. Now this is classic background type, classic, gradient, video, and slideshows. You can use slideshows for your background. That's two or more images, then they will begin to slide. All right, and you can use color here for your background. This is where you are using images. So they use image for this particular background. Let's we can edit. So let's say you want to change that background. You click on, let me go back. You come here, you click on choose image, just hover on it like this. You click on choose image, then you are going to your system file manager. Now you come to your pictures. All right, come to your pictures. Well, I don't have a picture that suits that here. All right, I don't have a picture that suits that here. So let's say okay, let me just pick for the purpose of this training. Let's say I want to use this particular picture. Click twice on it, or you click once and then click on that open you have there. Then you hold on and let it load. It's loading here. So the moment it's done loading, the picture we just selected will appear here. So once it appears here, you can see this is it now. So you see, now these are the pictures we have, the images on the website before. So this is the one we just uploaded. So you click here and select. So automatically it has changed. Can you see? It has changed to that particular picture. So you can use this for your background. You can use images for your background. So coming to this guy, let's check the home page. Now you know we've saved our work. We've saved our work the other time. We've saved our work here already. We've published this. So let's publish this again. Publish this, and it's gonna take effect on the site. So come here, let's reload this guy here. So reload this. Take note of this button. Can you see the animation we added? Can you see? So you scroll down. Can you see the image we added? So it's as easy as that. It's as easy as that. All right. So let's come back here. So now most times this guy might be covering some part of your work. You can just decide to write. Let's click. Once you have this guy here, bring your cursor to the top here. Left click, then drag it to another place. And in case you are not using it for now, you can come here to structure and close it. All right. So we serve tasty grilled goodies. All right. So I've taught you how to work on the button. So we're not going to be working on this. So come down here. Now look at this guy now. This is the main container holding them, and inside this main container you have this guy, you have this guy, you have this guy. Three of them. Three, 1, 2, 3. All right. So you click on each of them. Click on this. You can change it. This is number 2 now. Okay. I think it is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to change anything here, maybe you want to remove the 0 and make it just ordinary 2. I want to make it 002. All right. So you can come here and click on phone. Instead of using phone, you might decide to use contact. Control A and type contact. All right. So come here, click on this, change the phone number. Let's say okay, and come here, change the Gmail. All right. Support at fastarena.com. Okay. So the time you guys open and come here and edit that. Now look at this now. this guy here. Now what does this guy stand for? So I'm going to delete this now. Take note of this working hours, Monday to Sunday we have here. So let's go. Sorry, I light again. So I delete. Can you see? Now the 12 p.m. just came up. Now let's do Ctrl Z again. Can you see it's back? So this particular syntax you are seeing here is an HTML syntax. Okay, so that's even if you are using WordPress, that does not automatically take you out of coding. All right, so this is an HTML syntax that means line break. Okay, line break in the sense that wherever you put it, wherever you insert this, it's going to break the line. It's going to take the next text. So let's take, for instance, I want to type here now. Look at this part now. I'm typing in front of this. Let's say go, but the go is not in front here. Can you see? It's coming down here. So that's line break. Anything you are typing in front here, it's going to go to the next line below. So that's the purpose of that. It's an HTML syntax. All right. So if you remove it, the 12 p.m. you have here to 1 p.m. is going to go up. Okay, so that's that for that. So you move on. These are images you have here. These are images. So you can try to work on these images. So I'm not going to change the images because I don't have images that suit this. But if you want to change this, just click on the particular one you want to change. Click it. Can you see? Click. So let's say I want to change this. Click on it. Come here, over on it here. Just move your mouse on it. It will tell you choose image. Then you choose image to take you to this particular place. You don't have the images here yet. So what do? Click on upload file to take you to your system file manager where you pick the image you want to use. If I don't want to do that, I don't have an image that suits that. So I'm going to cancel this. So I love to add animations to my work. So click on this guy. Let's add animation, each of them. So you come to advanced, then you scroll down to motion effect. Don't forget motion effect. Then you come to entrance animation. You click on it. So you select the one you want to use. Zoom in up. Can you see? So let's use this also. Let's do this. I'm gonna do this for, let's say, this guy. Let's pick, we use zoom it up for that guy, zoom in down. Okay, the two in between, let's make the two at the middle zoom in down. So you need creativity for this. You have to be creative. You don't jam pack your work. All right, so you come to advanced also. You come down here, motion effect. Then I'm going to use the same thing I use for this guy, which is zoom it up for the first and the last, then the one in between. So you can see zoom it up. So come here and publish your work. So you can also work on the text you have here. Now working on the text you have here, let's click on this guy, come back to title, into content here. You can scroll up, and you see smoked breakfast. That's the title. Smoked briskets. That's the title here, and the price is what they put on that description. Can you see? Let's make it $200. You can see that 208. Okay, can you see? So each time you work on it, the animation effect will work. So let's make it $200. Can you see? So you can work on everything. So coming down here, I think there should be something here. Okay, this is an empty container. So this is just a quote. You can click on it and edit it from here. All right. So you can edit this guy also. Change the image. Okay. Let me change this guy. Okay. I think this is the only image that suits this particular website because of the background of the image. You know, the website is that's a dark kind of background, so it will not be okay if we are adding images that does not suit the background. So click on select. You can see the image suits the website background very well. So come here, this is, you are moving close to your footer. This is another button here. So and this is your footer area. Now how do you edit all of this footer area? I'm going to show you guys in another video. So in the next video now, I'm going to show you how to edit this your footer and insert your logo. All right, so when you are done, you can come here and click on publish. Okay, click on publish. Now if you want to work on this particular container here, maybe you want to change this background. This is a barbecue, or this, you want to change that background, you can click on this lines here, edit container, this six dots here, click on it, then come to style. Can you see the background? This is the image you are seeing here. This is it here. So you can decide to change the image from here. Me and this is my picture on an obvious. So can you see? So I've changed the image. You can see that. Okay, so that's how to work on your website. You edit it. Okay, so decide to put background overlay. Normal, the website has background over the what's it called? The background has overlay. What's overlay? Now come to this background. See the image I added. See how sharp the image is showing here. But look at the way it's showing here, as if there is something on it. So that's what we call overlay. Let's come down here. Come to background overlay. You can see it's black. If I decide to cancel that black now, let's say I reduce the opacity here. Can you see my image is now clearer here? But the clear image here does not speak well for this hero section here, so you have to bring it this way. Okay, and you can decide to change the color. So let's say you want to change the color from black. Can you see? Can move it around. That's the overlay. That's the overlay. Okay, so let's return it here. Okay, and that's all. You can click on publish. So when you come to the website here, so let's reload our website and see. Can you see? So our button, all right, welcome. So this is the website. So you can go on and work on. Now is my face is cutting off my face here, so you can work on the images. Just work on the images around there. So okay, can you see? Now let's check those guys we added animations to the other time. Can you see? All right, also, so you can see. Can you see? So in the next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to edit your footer, how to edit your header. I don't like the way these guys are appearing here, and how to add your logo. Alright guys, thank you. See you in the next video.